called Nova is going to get so confusing, and people don't even know why they're doing all this. It's wrong. Your music dominates the charts. If all those had secret messages, then it's too much influence.
Peeps are just doing fun stuff they wouldn't normally let themselves do. They're happy.
Yeah? What about the salads?
Oh, who cares about the salads? Why are you being like this? Why aren't you bopping or painting me on a horsey?
Yeah. Why aren't I affected? Oh, because I'm your manager. I've been ignoring your demands for years so I can do what's right for you, which only proves my point. This isn't right.
It might not be right, but it's fun. Come and see how happy the Jefferson is.
Is this because I wouldn't let you have a pony?
No.
Because you can't have ponies on spaceships, Nova? The poop situation for a star would be... Huh.
Sweetie squash.
Sensational outfit, Johnny.
Well, it's a heartfelt tribute to my sweet, sweet bandmates, the Monarchy. To thank them for all their amazing collabs this year.
And where are the Monarchy?
They went down to the chip shop.
I hate when he's charming.
Then he said, hold your horses. Ugh, so offensive. So I fired him.
The most amazed blob dress in the universe won't design itself.
You're going to recycle all this, right?
McLaren, this collab is collapsing. Where have you been?
Getting the gourmet, hey? And I ran into Kid Songwriter. He is not happy, Nova.
Clotheshorse won't get off the phone, McLaren. Does she not realise we're almost out of time?
Well, that's definitely a fake phone call.
What? It is? How do you know that?
She's talking into her hairbrush.
She's avoiding work. Who does she think she is?
She sort of reminds me of you. Nova, I need your input on this design for the new tour posters.
Sorry, VVV busy.
It's really hard to get you to work when you don't want to. But I usually find a way. Okay, so this is the poster we will send to every planet in the universe. Work for you?
Give me that. I'll do it. No, wait. Stop the flashback. I know how to get Clotheshorse to start collabing. I've just had a totes a rich idea that has nothing to do with your thing just then.
Anyway, what I was trying to tell you earlier, we have a serious Kid Songwriter problem.
Yes, laters. Done. Hey, Clotheshorse.
Sorry, Nellie. Can't you see I'm grazing?
I just wanted to let you know that I went ahead and designed our outfit. I just love how dull the brown is, don't you? It's hilarious. Don't worry. I'll tell everyone we collabed on it. My main girl. You'll get all the credit.
I am not putting my name to this abomination. Stand aside.
This is ridiculous. I'm the biggest pop star in the universe. I'm the best. The most stupendous. How am I supposed to? What are you laughing at?
They're copying you exactly.
They're supposed to be dancing with me. If we all do the same thing, then it just gets... Yes. Very No O, no va, no R, just And now this has appeared on Spaceogram.
How did they get a hold of that?
I just posted it. What, am I not supposed to share every experience I have online? No. This is the worst day of my life. My whole existence as a pop icon is going to explode like that. The biggest nightmare including that big nightmare I had where my nose took over my face. Useless internet! Useless dance moves! What's that?
Reaction time. Invalid. Still a lot to solve.
What is going on?
Hello? Bit of trouble over here. We were passing a baby planet.
Oh no, not a baby planet!
She's woken up and she has really got the grumps.
Oh yeah, super cute. But you know how cuteness goes? Sometimes it's like a kitten in mittens named Quilt.
No.
Nova! Big update. The royal jelly representative will call tomorrow.
Why are you phoning? Where are you?
In my room. Doing my filing. I'm not hiding from you.
You're not hiding from me.
Of course not. Where did you get that idea? If you impress the jelly representative, they'll approve you for the royal jelly blobs at Jellysania.
You're saying jelly a lot. Wait. You mean audition? You are hiding from me.
It's a great opportunity, and it's the rules.
Me? Nova Jones, audition for jelly? You're deliberately avoiding being here so you can't see my angry but breathtaking showbiz face.
No, just... Oh, hang on. Speaker not working.
But I am scared of jelly. There's no way I can do the audition or Jellysania. But you're Nova Jones. You should be scared of anything. Well, exactly, Wait, what, Blob? Hi. I'm Avone. As in, Nova spelt backwards. A-V-O-N. Avon. It's Avone. The Spacefair mirror. Careful. You don't want to get sucked into the mirror world. I'm joking. That's not possible. So, are you really, really famous here or what? I usually had about 10 more reelies. Are you not famous? No, I'm your reflection. Some stuff the same, some totally opposite. Opposite how? Like, what number am I thinking of? One. Because why would you think of any number that isn't number one? Salad. Terrible or tasty? Totally tasty. What's your best selfie face? What's your fave thing to do when bored? Shout my sister's name really loud? Same. Johnnicky. Rubbish or radical? Okay, enough of that. I think it's time these twinnies had some fun.
I don't believe we got through those shield generators so quickly.
I told you we need those cardboard tubes and the bucket of paint.
And the fishing rod. Otherwise, those laser-sighted crocodiles would have...
Go team! Karen! Nova, come on, we're gonna get you out of here.
I think I might deserve to be here. I'm awful.
No, you're not, Nova, come on.
Nobody move.
I'm sorry, everyone. Turns out I love being a captain too much to hide it.
Hush now! You're all in big trouble. Imagine impersonating a police officer.
Why? That's what you're doing.
Okay, let's get you locked up.
No. While we were trapped in the electrical grids and the heating ducts, I figured it out. This is ridiculous. Like, Why couldn't I find anything on the talent laws? Why did the inspector not let us call her head office? And who stands to gain from Nova being out the charts?
Oh, I know! I know! Is that the time? I must be going.
And who stands to gain the most from Nova being out the charts? It was Johnny all along!
Wait, who is that?
This is my cellmate, Elspeth. Elspeth, this is McLaren. Sid.
Hang on.
Sensation!
So, not Johnny.
Nova Jones and her sister McLaren, spoiling my plans again. Ever since I quit, I'm going home, and you'll regret the day you ever insulted. Sensation, since you ruined my huge acting career, I've been plotting my revenge. A huge music career. I needed to get rid of you so I could be a pop sensation. So I made a talent detector on my old oven timer and used my acting talent to convince you I was the police.
That's why you went to the bathroom in the middle of the trial. So you could play yourself on the screen.
And you dressed as Elspeth, so...
So you'd give me all your career secrets? But you just droned on about how guilty you felt.
Wowee. So, I'm not guilty. But you made me feel really bad about being really good. And about being lazy and vain and sick in a hat.
You should feel bad about those last three.
That's not even how you get into music, Mrs. Evil Impersonator. You don't make all the talented people worse. You have to be better.
Good management is absolutely the place to start. Someone who schedules your practices, posts your tracks to Spacegram, gives you honest feedback, build word of mouth.
Go on.
McLaren, stop giving her tips.
And so began the trial of sensation. A trial people are calling, really quick, Jocelyn, she must be guilty. The trial lasted just 25 minutes. 24 minutes to watch the whole adventure back, and 1 minute for the jars of slime to deliver a guilty verdict. Neva Jones returned to pop superstardom and decided not to feel guilty about anything ever again. McLaren is working on reminding Neva not to do bad things, just in case. The Captain of the North is currently enjoying his 93rd year as a space captain.
I'm only 34.
Sensation is still stuck in her spaceship cell until somebody lets her out. Let's leave her a few more days, shall we?